The outcome of the U.S. election will have a lasting impact on Agnes Chitumba's business. She lost out when the Biden administration cut off trade relations with Uganda under AGOA in August over an anti-homosexuality law that was deemed harsh and discriminatory. She had been selling her fabrics and crafts to the U.S. market tariff-free for over a decade. Whilst the ban was a hit to her business, there were some silver linings.
The next chapter of life opens to us other opportunities that are open to receive Ugandan products that are made ethically and sustainably, and that are happy to trade with us as well.
But AGOA, which began in the year 2000, is slowly coming under threat. But both under the Trump and Biden administrations, U.S. policy has shifted to attempts to boost domestic production and reduce reliance on foreign production. Meanwhile, some experts say Washington has fallen out of touch with Africa and other nations have stepped into the breach.
They have attached trade to values. They've attached trade to political structures. They would want to benefit, they would want to eat their cake and have it. And for me, that is wrong. I think the reason why China has been very successful in Africa is because for them, they understood the African structure. They understood the value system.
In late 2022, the Biden administration pledged to invest $55 billion in Africa over the following 3 years, working closely with Congress. This could mean potential changes in trade tariffs and agreements next year, or support for Africa exports like textiles, cut flowers, and other products going forward. Human rights remains an issue in U.S. trade with Africa. Experts believe a Trump presidency will outlaw LGBTQ rights, giving countries like Uganda an upper hand in securing the AGOA deal. During his office, Trump introduced the Prosper Africa initiative to support U.S. investors and the growing middle class across Africa. But if his administration moved towards a more protectionist stance, that could lead to less access to the U.S. market for countries like Uganda.
AGOA is restricted to certain goods and services. It's restricted to a few items. But what we need is to sell whatever we have here to the American market fairly, without having these conditions that are imposed on us.
The U.S. remains the biggest consumer market globally, and Ugandan traders like Agnes are eager to open trade with it irrespective of whoever takes office. Isabel Nakirya, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.